Here we are. This is Glacier Point over here in the distance. I'm not certain what this large peak is right here, the one that looks like the Coors label, but the one directly behind it, let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. That one right there, that's Red Peak. And then if you pull back here, you can still see there's snow. It's like almost September and there's still snow on the cap up in the upper valleys. And then down, if you come down this way, this right here, that's Nevada Falls, right there. Very beautiful. Still flowing quite strong. And if you drop it on down a little bit more, you get Vernal Falls. That right there is where the three morons decided to hold hands and expected Jesus to save them. But apparently, Jesus didn't give a shit, so they went right over the falls. Yay, Jesus. And then back up over here, you got the Half Dome. Let's see if I can get it nice. There's the diving board. There's down in the valley a little bit. Can't really see a whole lot of it from here, just because of the foliage in the front. Well, I'm gonna snap it back off, switch back to some pictures, and well, get some more from there. All right.